Hey, it's Jessica Brace here, and we have another session of Did You Know on Video. And these are questions that are submitted from members of my She Broadcast Video Marketing Support Group. So today I have a great question from our member Nancy. And Nancy asks, how often should you go live from your business page? That's a really good question. So how often should you go live from your business page? Well, the answer to that is as much as possible. No, just kidding. So it really is a matter of your audience, and it's also a matter of quality versus quantity. So if you're gonna rush through and go live and blah, 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 and just kind of babble on in your videos, then do less videos and take a little bit more time to plan. But if you're gonna create great content, that's the key to creating live videos. So if you can do 1 video a week, 3 videos a week, 4 videos a week, that's up to you, but there really is no magic number. Obviously, the more videos that you create, the more that you're going to get yourself out there and the more that people are going to be exposed to your content. But it is a matter over quality over quantity. So make sure that all of your videos are good quality, and there is no right or wrong answer. It's whatever works for you and your audience. I would rather see you do 1 awesome video a week than 5 meh videos. It's way better to have that awesome quality content and put a little bit more time and effort into planning it out than it is to just jump in and do videos for the sake of doing videos, because that's just going to be spinning your wheels, and we don't want any of that. So if you're interested in more video tips and hints and support, then head on over to our group, She Broadcast Video Marketing Support Group, here on Facebook. It's free, and I'd love to see you there, and the link is in the comments below. See you online.